Hi viewers, in this video we are presenting financial accounting adjustments for JO aspirants purpose. These adjustments are definitely utilized for 1 or 2 marks getting in the JO examination. So here adjustments, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So if the items are given in adjustments, where was showing the items are explaining here. So first closing stock. This is credited in the trading account and then immediately write in balance sheet in asset side. And next one is outstanding expenses. Debit in the trading account, add to concerned expenses. If they are direct expenses, showing in trading account. If it is indirect expenses, debited in profit and loss account, add to concerned expenses. And next, in the balance sheet, we are showing in liabilities side. Then next one is prepaid expenses deducted from the concerned expenses in trading account debit side or profit and loss account debit side, and finally shown in the asset side of balance sheet. Next one, accrued income due receivable, add to concerned income in the profit and loss account credit side. And next one is shown in the asset side of balance sheet. Next, income received in advance, deducted from concerned income in trading and profit and loss account in credit side. And next one is shown in the liability side of balance sheet. Sixth point, depreciation. The depreciation amount directly shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account, and it is deducted from the concerned asset from expressed asset and shown in the asset side of balance sheet. Seventh one, interest on capital. In the profit and loss account, debit side write as a to interest on capital, and next in the balance sheet add to capital. And eighth point, interest on drawings. It is credited in the profit and loss account and add to drawings. Drawings and interest on drawings both are deducted from the capital in liability side of balance sheet. And next one is bad debts. So bad debts is shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account, and also add to bad debts. And next, the bad debts are deducted from the sundry debtors in asset side of balance sheet. 10th point, provision for doubtful debts. This is 3 types are given One is if given in only trial balance. So directly deducted from the sundry debtors. If B point, if given only as adjustments in profit and loss account debit side to reserve for doubtful debtors. Then in the balance sheet asset side deduct from the sundry debtors. C. If given in both RDD as per adjustments is more than RDD as per TB. That means old reserve and new reserve for trial balance. In the profit and loss account, debit the reserve for doubtful debts difference amount if the new amount is higher. Then in asset side deduct from the sundry debtors newly calculated percentage amount. Then D point, if given in both and RDD as per TB is more than RDD as per adjustments. So if the old reserve is higher, the differ is credited in the profit and loss account and deducted from the sundry debtors newly calculated amount. So here try to understand any 4 points, the total new amount are deducted from the sundry debtors in the asset side of balance sheet. Next 11th point, reserve for discount on debtors, that is debited in the profit and loss account to reserve for discount on debtors, and this one also deducted from the sundry debtors in higher in asset side of balance sheet. Next 12th point, reserve for discount on creditors. This is credit side in the profit and loss account, like reserve for discount on creditors, and shown in the liability side deduct from the sundry creditors. And 13th one, transfer to reserve fund, that is debit side in the profit and loss account and next shown in the liability side of balance sheet. 14th one, accidental loss by fire. In this accidental loss we have 3 cases. First case is if insured in full, so the total amount are credited in the trading account and the total amount are shown in the asset side of balance sheet. B point, if not insured, the total amount or loss credited in the trading account and the total amount or loss, so shown in the debit side of profit and loss account. Next C point, if partially insured, the total loss are credited in the trading account and loss amount are debited in the profit and loss account and recovered amount are shown in the asset side of balance sheet. So in these 3 cases the total amount are credited in the trading account. Next 15th one, commission on payable to manager, that is shown in the debit side of profit and loss account and liability side of balance sheet. 16th one, goods supplied as free sample to customers, deducted from the purchases in the debit side of the trading account. And next, in the profit and loss account, debit the advertising goods supplied as free sample. 17th one, goods sent on sale or return basis, that is credited in the trading account. First, deduct from the sale price, and second one, add to closing stock cost price. Then in the asset side of balance sheet, first case, deduct from sundry debtors sale price. Second case, add to from closing stock cost price. Finally, 18th one, drawings of proprietor in the form of goods deducted from purchases in debit side of trading account. These are two types. In the liability side of balance sheet, first add to drawings, and second, total drawings are to be deducted from capital. So these are the important adjustments in the final accounts. So these adjustments are definitely utilized for the JO aspirants for getting minimum 1 or 2 marks. So all the best.